you just say? He has to put his legs against the manifolds to reach the gas pump.
This is your 98 whatchamacallit.
And the charge plate was in his face.
Unpimp your auto.
That's our shifter? Right there. There's a shifter.
We just dropped it like it's hot.
What in the hell?
Say it again. We got this old Pontiac in the yard. Hold on.
That's exactly it. And you'd be like, dude, I got this idea. It's not the right idea, but it ain't wrong. What do you think? What do you really think? He's gone 15 miles an hour. Dude. Wow. Well, it's gonna make one hell of a no prep car. Got the middle weight, right? What's the frame based off of?
The cage was a kit.
Okay.
We all got the same idea here.
Body that fits on here.
Have you ever taken it down the track?
I don't quite.
Yeah, he had the white track. He also had the Camaro for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you sit in it? And I don't know. Can you sit in it and show me what you're talking about?
Rest against the manifold.
Notice my floor substitute.
Dude, this is what you do?
Yeah.
No, God!
This is how you drive it, right?
You're insane.
No, God, please, no! No!
I love it.
Change fuses mid-pass? This is crazy. This is Mad Max at its best, dude.
And then I didn't feel like hooking up the right shifter.
That's our shifter? Right there. There's a shifter. That's crazy. Wow, dude. How many nuts and bolts did you supply for this?
I got a sticker for you.
That's crazy. So, is it going to be all-wheel drive at some point?
I don't plan it to be, no.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no!
Right?
Like I said, I don't want. I want to hate it, but I can't.
How fast have you gone?
I've got.
How fast I went over there 20 minutes ago?
It's like 15. Oh my God!
I thought it was going like 30. Hell.
You don't even have a whole frame on here.
There is no frame. What are you talking about?
His foot less is here.
This is. Hey, this is on purpose.
Strap over here for the gas pump.
What is it called?
Death trap.
That's a good name for it.
Hey, my thought of giving it is fire leg.
What is it called?
Fire leg.
I don't even know what the hell that means.
Fire leg.
Right next to the exhaust.
Oh, you mean first aid? So bitch.
First aid is actually a really good name.
I don't mind. Dude, that's cool. All right, we're about to play with the air ride. This is its own video, dude. It actually works. It's on tag.
Not fast, but it goes.
Look at that. What the hell? Dude, it's squat. Look, it's all the way up here. Wow.
It's IRS. IRS boys right here.
IRS right there, bro. Dude, look at this thing. It's on the ground.
Oh, hell no!
Dude, I love it.
Hey, this just got way cooler.
I agree. Yeah, you don't need parts.
I can't hate this thing. This is the crazy, dude. Look at, I mean, it's super Mad Max.
It's
cool.
I love this.
It's different.
This is what a bad weekend
Turns into good.
turns into good.
Yes.
What if we did?
One night, like, yeah.
Yo, we should
We got this event tomorrow.
Exactly.
We got this old Pontiac in the backyard.
Look,
Hold on.
do that again. Say that again.
We got this old Pontiac in the yard. Hold on.
That's exactly it.
This is